I'm going to show you how you can enable Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 11 operating system. And then I'm going to show you how you can connect some device using that hotspot which you have created on Windows 11. So let's get started. So for this, you just need to open your settings app. You can open your settings app by just right clicking on your Windows start icon and then click on settings, or you can search for the settings app here and you can just click on the settings app. Once the settings app opens, you need to click on network and internet option, and here you will be able to see this option which says mobile hotspot. So just click on this, and here by default this mobile hotspot is disabled. From this window you can also select which network you want to use, right? So you have this option, share my internet connection from, and if you have multiple options here, you can select one of these options, right? And then you can also select the name of your network. You can also select the password and the band, right? So when you click on edit, from here you can change this name to something which you can recognize on other devices. So this will be the network name. This is the password. This password is set by me. So in your case, this password will be something else. So you just need to set some secured password here. I have given here very simple password, so I can demonstrate how to connect to this network, but you might want to give some secure password here. The band, I have selected any available, but you can select from these two options also. Then I will just click on save, and then I will toggle this toggle button to on, so that it's going to turn on my Wi-Fi hotspot on my Windows 11 operating system. So now my Windows 11 operating system is turned into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So now let me show you how you can connect to your hotspot which you have created on your Windows 11 operating system. So I will connect my Android phone to the hotspot which I have created on my Windows 11. You can see the hotspot name is HP03A70Q. So I'm going to go to the settings app on my Android phone. So let me select settings app, and then I'm going to select Wi-Fi, and here I can see the same name, right? HP03A. This is the network name of my Wi-Fi hotspot. So I'm going to just press on this, and here I can provide the password. If you remember, my password was 12345678, so I'm going to provide that. And you can see the password also, and let me just click on connect. And once I click on connect, I can see that my Android device is connected to my hotspot which I have created on my Windows 11 operating system. Let me also show you if it works or not. So I have searched for some random word on Google, and this hotspot is working, right? So this hotspot is working. Let me show you once again. So let me show you once again. When I click on the settings app, my Wi-Fi hotspot network name is this one, right? And my Google search is perfectly working here, right? One more thing you will observe here is this IP address. So whenever you connect any device to your Wi-Fi hotspot, you will be able to see the IP address of that device, and you will be able to see the MAC address of that device, so you know which device you have connected to, right? So this is how you can create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.